If your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 won't turn on, it can be frustrating, especially when the screen stays completely black. This guide explains the most reliable and accurate fixes step by step, so you can quickly identify what's wrong and get your tablet working again. Let's dive in. Number 1. Charge the tablet properly. Start by connecting the tablet to a working wall charger, preferably the original Samsung charger and cable. Leave it plugged in for at least 30 minutes before trying to turn it on. If the battery was deeply discharged, the screen may stay black for several minutes before showing any charging sign. Number 2. Perform a force restart. If charging doesn't help, try a force restart. Press and hold the power button and volume down button together for 20 to 30 seconds. This does not erase data and is designed to fix system freezes. If the Samsung logo appears, release the buttons and allow the tablet to boot normally. Number 3. Check the charging cable and port. A damaged cable or blocked charging port can prevent the tablet from charging at all. Try a different USB-C cable and power adapter to rule this out. Carefully inspect the charging port for dust or lint and gently clean it using a soft wooden toothpick or brush. Number 4. Try recovery mode. If the tablet shows signs of life but won't fully start, recovery mode may help. Press and hold power plus volume up until the Samsung logo appears, then release the buttons. In the recovery menu, select Reboot System Now using the volume buttons and confirm with the power button. Number 5. Factory reset as a last resort. A factory reset should only be used if the tablet powers on but remains stuck or unusable. This process erases all data, so it is only recommended if you cannot access the system otherwise. Factory reset is done from recovery mode and should be considered a final software solution. When to seek professional repair. If the tablet does not respond after charging, force restarting, and cable checks, the issue is likely hardware related. Common hardware causes include a failed battery, damaged charging port, or a faulty power button. In this case, visiting an authorized Samsung service center is the safest option to avoid further damage.